Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Unreal Engine 5 blueprints to create a fully customizable tornado system that follows a spline path and plus bonus. This effect is perfect for open-world games, disaster simulations, or cinematic scenes. And the best part, it's all done with blueprints, no C++ required. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a spline-based tornado movement, and I will also give you a pack of tornadoes for free. If you're excited to level up your UE5 skills, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, open Unreal Engine 5 and load any project, or create a new one. Now, download the Tornado Asset Pack, link in description, and unzip it. Drag the files into your project's content folder. Boom! Your tornadoes are now ready to use. In your content browser, drag the tornado blueprint into your level. This isn't just any tornado, it's a performance-friendly beast that follows your exact commands. Most tutorials tell you to spawn tornadoes in a random zone, but that tanks performance with endless calculations. Ours? You draw the exact path with a spline? No CPU waste, no chaos, just total control. First, we'll create two key float variables. Distance along spline. This will track our position along the path. Name it carefully. Movement speed controls how fast our tornado travels. Now add these components. A Niagara system, select your tornado VFX. A spline component, this defines our movement path. In EventTick, we will create our movement logic. Drag in multiplication, and then addition. Connect movement speed to multiplication. Feed distance along spline to addition. Now connect the spline logic. Get a reference to the spline component. Drag out, get distance along spline. Connect it to our math operations. Complete the movement from set drag out, set distance along spline, drag out the relative transform line. Aim our tornado actor. Well, the rest can be done in 2 clicks. Just look and do the same. Need it faster? Wider? Deadlier? 1 click in the blueprint. This system scales from indie to ADAK. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next part where we will loop the tornado animation for the Quest system. Absolutely free. If you can't do something, just download the finished work. Bye, everyone.